Hi, how are you? Spring season seems very pleasant for everyone. The season can be problematic if you sneeze due to an allergy to pollen grain. Every person doesn't have a resistive immune system to withstand against springtime allergy. Normally, they can't tolerate dust, dirt, or pollen grain allergy. Sneezing and allergies must be the symptoms of asthma, and sometimes it could be the culprit. Allergic reaction, allergen, and the change in the weather all trigger the sneezing. Don't worry, problem solved. Here are some best ways to get rid of sneezing attack. Ginger, fenugreek seeds, lemon essential oil, peppermint oil. Ginger for sneezing attack. Take a fresh ginger piece, wash it, peel it, and then crush the ginger root. Put the crushed ginger root onto a clean piece of cloth and press it to extract the juice. Extract at least 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger juice and have it twice a day. Fenugreek seeds for sneezing attack. Take water in a medium-sized bowl and add 2 to 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds to it. Bring it to boil on a medium flame and then wait till water remains half of its original quantity. Strain and then drink the medium hot water in sips. Repeat 2 to 3 times a day. Lemon essential oil for sneezing attack. Add 1 to 2 drops of lemon essential oil to hot water and then inhale the steam. You may also inhale the lemon essential oil directly or diffuse the oil using a diffuser. Add lemon essential oil in your daily dietary supplements like in any drink or water. Peppermint oil for sneezing attack. Take a medium-sized bowl and fill water in it. Bring it to become hot. Turn off the flame and take off the bowl. And at least 5 to 6 drops of peppermint oil. Inhale the steam by covering the bowl and face with a towel. This will help to clear off all the allergens and consequently stop sneezing. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, let us know in the comment and subscribe us.